Now we're going to talk about jobs. What do you do? Or in Spanish, the question, ¿qué haces? Hacer is the verb to do. ¿Qué haces? What do you do? Referring to your profession or your job. Well, I have a few examples here. How would you answer the question? Yo soy, I am. Yo soy profesor. I am professor. Notice in English we say I am a professor. In Spanish we just say yo soy profesor. I am professor. Easy. Yo soy contador. Contador is accountant. Yo soy abogado. Lawyer. Yo soy ingeniero. Engineer. Cocinero. Cook. Dentista. Well, that's a hard one. I'll let you figure that one out by yourself. Electricista. Electrician. Estudiante. Yo soy estudiante o tú eres estudiante. You are a student. Gerente. That's a tricky one. You've got the G with the E. It's a little bit of a guttural sound. Gerente. Gerente is manager. Jubilado isn't really a job, but jubilado is retired. So somebody could say, yo soy jubilado, meaning I am retired. Well, what do we have to learn? We need to put different endings on them, some of them, if they're masculine or feminine. Words, professions that end with an R, profesor. If we're talking about a woman, we would add a, so it would be profesora. María es profesora. Yo soy profesor. Ella es profesora. Contador, accountant. If it's a woman, contadora. Ella es contadora. She is an accountant. Now, the ones that end with O are masculine. So to change them feminine, we have to take away the O, replace it with A. So, abogado is a male lawyer. Abogada, female lawyer. You say, él es abogado, ella es abogada. Ingeniero is a male engineer. If it's a woman, ingeniera. Ella es ingeniera. Cocinero, male cook. To change it to feminine, we change the O for A. Cocinera. Ella es cocinera. She's a cook. Now, not all of them change. Some of these words are the same for both sexes. Dentista is the same, masculine or feminine. We could say, él es dentista, ella es dentista. Electricista, same for masculine and feminine. Estudiante, again, the same. Now these are easier because they don't end with R or O or A. So, él es estudiante, he is a student. Ella es estudiante, she's a student. Gerente can be for both. Él es gerente, ella es gerente. Jubilado, well, that's masculine. We could say, él es jubilado, he is retired, or ella es jubilada, if it's a woman we're talking about. So now you know, the ones that end with R are masculine. You add the letter A to make them feminine. Many of the words that end with O change to feminine with A. Some of them that don't end with either A or O or R can be used for both. And there are some examples of words or professions that don't change for masculine or feminine. Again, this is one of the trickiest things in learning Spanish for an English speaker, trying to determine the endings, masculine or feminine. But I know you can do it with a lot of study and practice.